And so what are futurists saying this means? So this is our current reality. So these are the types of augmented reality, AI, quantum computers, that's the stuff that's happening now. If you take that and you project that forward, what are futurists saying this indicates about the future world that we're moving into? And so there's a point in time that futurists are calling the singularity. Have you heard that word? Okay. No? Okay. Let me explain the singularity to you. If you take this red line, which is the pace at which humanity has got more intelligent over time. Okay. Oh, I think we're pretty good. But here's the thing. This green line is the pace at which machine learning or machine intelligence has improved. From the first digital computer ENIAC in 1948, and through, you can see really, how rapidly machine intelligence has improved compared to human intelligence. The singularity is this green dot over here, the point at which machine intelligence begins to surpass the rate at which human intelligence grows. Okay? Essentially, at that point, any engagement and any involvement we have in the process slows it down. We become the stupid species on the planet. And Ray Kurzweil, the head of Singularity University and the chief futurist at Google, he reckons that this date is 2029, so call it 2030. Time magazine said it was going to be 2045. But regardless of when this time is, so let's say they're both out and it's 2050. Essentially what we're saying is if you look ahead into the future, one of the things that is going to happen in the future is within the work life of pretty much every single young, talented individual that you are recruiting to organizations out of uni right now, and probably for most of us in this room right now, this is going to happen. And the one thing that we know for certain, whether it's in 2029, whether it's in 2045, whether it's in 2050, the one thing we have to anticipate is a future world of work where machines are more intelligent than human beings. But we are humans. This isn't going to be the planet of the apes, where we become the subservient species and we allow the computers to dominate. That's not the way it's going to be. We are humans. We stand up and we fight and we survive. And so what's happening is they're talking about transhumanity. Transhumanism is the point where essentially they're saying we're going to take technology and augment ourselves with the technology. Which sounds weird and freaky, but it's happening already. If you have a pacemaker, if you have an artificial heart valve, you're doing that from a mechanical perspective already. And in fact, for many of us, prosthetics, well, not us, people who are using prosthetics, the prosthetics are better than human limbs. So you remember Oscar Pistorius, South African athlete? So not the murder trial, okay, not the second trial, the first trial around the London Olympics. Can we allow Oscar Pistorius to run the 400 meters with the fastest 400-meter athletes from around the world? When Oscar Pistorius said he wanted to run the 400 meters, did the Olympic guys come and say, sorry, man, you haven't had legs your whole life. We don't want to embarrass you. Was that the argument? No way. The argument was, are you freaking crazy? Your prosthetics help you run faster than the fastest human beings with natural legs. This is transhumanism.